Okay, let's just draw the crane sheave in. The sheave is not exactly a common term, so let's have a look at what you're actually drawing. It's something like this. It's got a bush internally with a grease groove, like so. So there's your bronze bush inside to give it frictional resistance. And then there's the body of the sheave. You're drawing one of those, except on top you've got a little hole tapped in so you can pump grease into it as well. We'll just pick a center point. I have got 62 diameter, 75, 112 diameter, all by 99. So let's just start drawing rectangles that are centered. 60, that's 99 by 62. The next one is 99 by 75, 99 by 75. The next one is 99 by 112, 99 by 112. The next one is 200 by 45, 45 by 200. The next one is 45 by 250. The last one is 45 by 310. Off this, I've got a circle. I'll just draw it by center point. That's a radius 8 circle, so that's diameter 16. And it's sitting with the bottom of the circle is sitting at diameter 250. I'm now going to come in 5mm. Just draw a line there and offset it 5mm in. Then 35mm. So now let's just draw these in. Point of intersection through to a tangent. And remove that before I forget it's there. Done. Speaking of removing stuff before I forget it's there, there are 3 lines overlapping each here. So I'm going to just remove all of them and just put in 1 line just to replace it. Same thing here, there are 3 lines sitting across each of those. I'll just forget about that one, delete the rest. Now, of course, when I delete that, now I've only got a single line to worry about. 200 diameter, the center web of that is 16 thick, so center web of that is 16 thick, so we'll offset that 8mm one way and then 16mm the other. 8mm, thank you. And then 16 the other. Done. Remove that. And that just comes out from there to there, from there to there. And once again, remove the lines now we don't need that were layout lines, like so. There's a bit of a fillet in there, so let's just draw in the fillet. I'll just split that line first. Because when I draw in a fillet, it actually removes the line fillet 1 to there, and we probably wanted, I don't know, a radius 5. Radius 5, done. That looks about good to me. Delete them. Now the next part, if you have a look at it, there's a 3mm diameter by 1.5mm deep grease groove in the center of the bush. That's just there, just basically that's a slot just cut across it in one place just to hold grease. Bushing we'll talk about when we get to powder metallurgy, because they're a powder metallurgy item usually. We need to drill a hole that's 5 round, counterbore it down 10.2, tap it out M12. So drill a 5mm hole all the way through it, counterbore it out 10.2mm by, it doesn't say how deep, and then tap it M12 to suit a grease nipple.